Hi there. I got my iCreation wireless digital video doorbell. I'm excited. My daughter sent it to me. She said, "Dad, you need this because you live alone now that Mom's gone, and I can be watching my TV and somebody will come to the door. Here's the unit. All comes in the box, all the different parts, and you like this is two separate parts, and you just put them together. It's very simple, and then you have the monitor. It sits in a cradle like that, and it also has this, which you can, I guess you set the whole thing on there. It vibrates to let you know that when the doorbell rings. If you don't hear it, that thing vibrates, which is good for somebody like me because I can't hear a lot of the times. And but anyway, I'm going to see if I can show you how it works. With I haven't got it installed yet, so but here's, I'm going to ring the doorbell. Hello, and there I am. Can you see me? Oh, wait a minute. There I am. Oh, there. Isn't that neat? And it's got. Let me. I'll set it right there so you can watch me. The outdoor camera. It can be powered two ways. Either the battery pack. The battery power with the battery pack, or you could take off the battery pack. That's what this is, and the bottom, and you can hardwire it to an existing doorbell. It has all the stuff on the back here, and there's no need for a professional installer. You can do it all by yourself. It's very simple, and the battery power mode does not support the monitor mode. And if you want to monitor who's outside your door, you will need to hardwire the camera. And to avoid interference of the signal, the indoor monitor is best to be placed away from other hi-fi devices about 1 or 2 meters. Anyway, it supports up to 4 cameras. You can have this on your front door, your back door, your side door, wherever you want. It only comes with 1 camera, but you can get extra cameras. And it's a 3x5 video screen, this little monitor here. And it's an LCD display, and the video resolve is 320 by 240 at 25 frames per second, which means absolutely nothing to me, but to other people that might mean something. I guess that's important. Oh yeah, you could. I guess you could see me. Yeah, okay. And it's waterproof. The camera that goes on this is the camera in here. And that's the doorbell. Yes, hello. See, there I am. But anyway, I'm having a lot of fun with it. But it's and it's waterproof, and it's got a microphone and a speakerphone. You can put it on speaker. It has brightness and video, audio adjustable, and it's crystal clear sound quality, and you can zoom in and out, and it's well, it's just wonderful. It's got all of your instructions, and it got all of your mounting brackets for the doorbell and for the different things that you need. It even has a screwdriver so that you can put your brackets on. I mean, I thought of everything. It's a great deal. It's something that you will definitely need. And so you need to get one now. Thank you.